Assalamualaikum and hi. Um, how are you doing, guys? I hope you guys are doing good. So today I would like to share one of the topics that is covered in lecture 3. So this slide can be obtained from my Moodle page. It's lecture 3 and directly go to slide number 37. Okay. The topic is about buoyancy. So as shown in the slide, a buoyant force is defined as a vertical force on a body immersed in a stationary fluid. Okay. So what is a buoyant force? If you can see, one of the examples is, let's say you dive into a swimming pool. Okay. It can be frustrating because as you dive to the bottom of the pool, the water tries to push you back to the surface. So this push or the upward force exerted by water on you is called as buoyant force. Okay. So buoyant force is it arises because the pressure varies with depth. Okay. So why do fluid exert the upward buoyant force on a submerged object is because of the pressure variation between the bottom of the submerged object and the top of the submerged object. Okay. So if you can see, how it actually occur. Let's try to imagine an object that has a cylindrical shape. Okay. There will be pressure exerted at the top and also pressure exerted at the bottom. So there is a difference in pressure because as you go deeper, remember, as you go deeper, pressure will be increased. So therefore, the pressure here will be greater here compared to the pressure here. It's bigger. Okay. So if you want to, how do you measure? How do you measure buoyant force? Okay. You can measure the difference in pressure at the top and also the bottom. Okay. So force is equal to P pressure times area. Okay. So you substitute into the equation. Okay. So remember that pressure can also be measured by using rho GH, where rho is the density of the fluid, g is the gravitational acceleration, and h is the height. So up area should be the same because it's the same object. So rho GH bottom times A. Okay. Rho and G are supposed to be constant as well. So therefore, you should get this as rho G A times H, where H is the difference in the height. And the difference in the height is actually here. So, by the way, area, if you times with the height, area is the cross-sectional area, you times with the height. Basically, it's the volume. The volume of the object. Okay. But okay, if you notice, okay, this volume of the object is basically equal to the volume of the water displaced by the object. Okay, by displacing water, the space is now occupied by the object. Okay, so which volume do you want to take here? Huh? Is, is it the volume of the object, okay, or the volume of the displaced fluid? Okay, so which one do you want to take? Okay, um, so to consider, eh, these two volumes could be different if the object is only partially submerged in the fluid. Therefore, you shouldn't take the volume of the object, okay? Because sometimes the object can be partially submerged. So therefore, the volume that you should take is the volume of the fluid. All right? So you replace it with the volume of the fluid. So if you still remember, um, uh, the definition of the density is equal to m divided by volume. So therefore, rho times volume is basically m. Okay. Therefore, this can be substituted with m times g, where m times g is equal to the weight of the displaced fluid. Okay. So this statement or this expression, um, if you say it in a statement, okay, it can be said that the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the displaced water. Okay, um, this statement is the same as the Archimedes principle. Okay, where um, the buoyant force on an object is equal to the weight of the weight displaced by the object. Alright? Okay, thank you.